Okay, what we're going to do today is just give this surface a bit of a rub down, because it's been in for quite some time now, and there's been a construction around it as well. But Sammy said that she wasn't happy with the finish on it, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a rub down with maybe a P240 on this sander, and then give it another coat of oil just to bring it back to life. Okay, we've rubbed it down and we've given it another coat of oil. You can see the surface is absolutely lovely and clean now, so hopefully Sammy's going to be happy with that. And we've also done the other side as well, the side of the kitchen, just to tidy it up a bit, because it's, as I say, it was installed some time ago, so it needed doing. And we've also put quite a layer inside this small little crack that's appeared there. Just have to keep our eyes on that. It is secured from underneath, but we just have to keep our eyes on it to make sure it doesn't expand anymore.